Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Modern Day Gamer. I know this is another video, but I told you guys that I would come back a month later and basically talk about um, what the oils have done for me and kind of what's going on. So here I am, a month later, and my respiratory issues have significantly decreased, and my ability to breathe has increased significantly. Before I was taking a emergency inhaler every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day, just to regulate my breathing because I wasn't taking like an inhaler to regulate it in general, and so I ended up having to use an emergency inhaler, which wasn't good for me. It created a lot of problems, and really I could just I didn't have a lot of energy. I couldn't hardly breathe. I couldn't go on a walk with my dogs because I couldn't breathe. I literally had to sit in the house and hope that we didn't have to go out and do anything. And then just last weekend, I went on a 4 mile bike ride with my wife, which was incredible because before then I would not have been able um, to make it. And uh, and it's all because of just essential oils. Um, and you're not really, the FDA regulates that you can't say that they cure anything, and so I won't say that that they cure anything, but I will say that I hardly ever struggle with asthmatic problems and respiratory issues anymore. And these are Young Living oils, essential oils, and I almost have no issues breathing. Before at night, I would have to take a puff at night just so I could fall asleep and breathe, because my lungs. And now I'm using peppermint oil, lime oil, breathe again oils, um, eucalyptus oils, tangerine, all these different types of oils that are good for my respiratory system, and I can breathe. Peppermint's basically an emergency inhaler that is healthier, and it may not work. Like, it takes time to get the toxins out of your body and to get them to a better state. And recently, I've been looking into which products and oils I could use to maybe help me see colors better, because I'm colorblind, maybe help my eyesight better. So I'm going to try to figure that out and do some things to see if I can't help heal my eyesight as well, or at least make it to where I'm not struggling so much to see things. Because yesterday, before we went to this leadership meeting at a church, my glasses that I just got new broke, and now I'm back to the old ones, which are taped, and I have to stick up here or else they'll fall off my head, and it's really annoying. So, we're doing that. We're looking into moving, using these oils as like a financial ability to kind of get ourselves out of Missouri as a whole, um, and they are much more than just like making money. They're much more than just um, they're much more than just healing your body. They're good for you in general, and they change people's lives. I know that they have made a significant impact on my life and my wife's life. As I can just take these oils with me anytime I feel a respiratory issue. Come on, throw on some oils and go. I mean, seriously, a 4 mile bike ride for someone who struggles so adamantly um, with asthma, not asthma, um, was incredible. And that was just, we just went to Dogwood Canyon, and I didn't even bring my oils. Um, and yeah, I had some issues just because I'm, not in the best shape of my life. But if I'm able to go and do that, you know, just go and walk without having any issues, go and feel like, wow, this is incredible without having any issues, then why wouldn't I? You know, why wouldn't I go and walk 5 or 6 miles and just enjoy myself, walk around, look at things, and enjoy myself, not feel like I can't breathe ever. Um, and yeah, you know, I still have asthma attacks every once in a while, but they're nothing like they were. Some days I don't even have to use the oils. Um, I'm still trying to remove toxins from my life. I'm not using any conventional deodorant. I'm using a toothpaste that they make as a deodorant. I just take like a little bit and put it underneath, and my armpits smell better. Um, Even when I don't use the toothpaste, I only have to use the toothpaste like every other day um, to kind of control my body odor, which is great. And sweating doesn't gross me out. It's like a natural thing, so I don't care. Um, and so it's just been an incredible journey. Just in a month, we've had these oils. Actually, less than a month. Um, I guess we signed up a month ago, about a month ago, and we've we got our oils like a week and a half later. So really, it's not been that long, and I'm already experiencing huge gains in my respiratory issues, which is incredible. So anyone who struggles with that kind of thing can just kind of uh, come off and go off of their asthma inhaler and start using these oils, which at first it's tough and it's hard and you can't hardly breathe. And for like the first 2 weeks, I probably still had to use a form of inhaler to kind of help along because it takes so long. But those toxins are almost completely out of my system now, and so I'm able to breathe way easier, way better. I don't even use like traditional soap. I use just like cast out soap, which is just like soap with no fragrance and like nothing in it. It's just soap. It's like water and then lye or whatever it is, which is like nothing. I mean, there's no chemicals in it at all to wash my body and my hair. And of course, I use that toothpaste on my teeth, which has made my teeth considerably whiter um, than they normally would be. So, yeah, not all the products I'm using to be chemical free are Young Living products, but a lot of them are. And I really would recommend it for anyone who's interested in getting rid of medical conditions that they don't like anymore, um, because it helps. And you kind of have to think about using the oils as opposed to think about using the chemicals. But if you get rid of your chemical stuff and you just live chemical free, it's a better lifestyle in general. Our dogs have more energy, which they're playing right now. Daisy and Chloe are playing right now, messing with each other, being all crazy. They have more energy. We're able to do things. Me specifically, Chloe is kind of my dog. I've had her for over a year now, and she's a husky, and she needs a lot of energy and a lot of attention just because of her breed. And so um, it's just really great for me to be able to do those things. And this weekend, we're going to actually take them to Dogwood Canyon and go on a walk with them, which I haven't been able to go on, like a walk that was more than, an eighth of a mile with Chloe in a long time, just because I couldn't breathe. I would get back from the walk that we do, which is just up the road, and then turn and then go up to this little church and then come back. And it was less than an eighth of a mile. Um, and I couldn't breathe when I got back. My asthma was just acting up, closing up my lungs. I was having asthma attacks. I couldn't walk my dog, and I couldn't go on walks with my wife. So I encourage anyone who struggles with these health issues that are really debilitating and holding you back from doing things you want to do to look into a chemical-free life. No medication. I don't take any medication. Don't take ibuprofen. Don't take anything like that. Peppermint works for headaches. And honestly, sometimes if you have a headache, you just drink water and it'll go away. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you guys. I'm not great at commenting back. If you guys have any concerns about oils, go ahead and comment down below as well, and I can try to calm you down on those concerns. If you guys think they're weird, that's okay. You can continue living your chemical life while I will live more free. Um, So thank you guys for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with all your friends. So peace, guys.